All right, sis, so we're starting off with bare skin. I've been using this Embryolisse hydrating cream. You can use it as a cream, a primer, a mask, all in one cream, guys. And I believe this is the reason my makeup came out so flawlessly today. It just really does everything in one. Moisturize, primes, your makeup sticks to this product. It's the best. So I've been using that as of recently. We're gonna move on to concealing. I feel like this part is obviously optional. If you don't have any dark spots or anything like myself, you do not need to do this step. But for me, if I want a flawless finish, a flawless complexion, I need to make sure that my dark spots are being concealed. So as you guys could see, I'm literally just concealing all of my dark spots. So for the brush today, I'm using a buffer brush. I feel like this is perfect for just buffing in that product. I feel like this was like the perfect brush to use just to conceal. And I use patting motions. I like to pat the product into my skin instead of swipe. You can never, I always say this, never swipe the product. Patting it in will give just that natural, flawless airbrush finish, as well as it just sinks into your skin. So I use that for my concealer, and now we're going to go ahead and highlight. I use the exact same concealer, but in a different lighter shade. This is about 3 shades lighter than my natural complexion, and I'm just putting that in the points of my face where the light hits, just to bring back that dimension to my face. And we're just going to go ahead and blend it out with a damp, make sure it's damp, wet, so that the concealer is able to really just blend into your skin. And I actually moved really fast with this because this concealer does like to dry down, so I just make sure to really move fast and just blend that out. And for your information, guys, this whole video is in real time, so this is literally a 5-minute powder foundation complexion routine. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and set. I'm gonna take my Maybelline loose setting powder and just a flat, fluffy brush. It's still fluffy, but it's a bit flatter. And I've been using this method to just set my highlighted areas. I feel like this method really makes my makeup look more natural instead of pouncing that powder into my skin. Sometimes when I pounce the powder into my skin with my sponge, I would see like my pores peeping through, but when I use the brush and set it, I feel like it just gives me a more natural finish. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use the powder foundation for my face, and this is the Maybelline pressed powder in 355, and this is just going to pretty much set the rest of my face and act as our foundation. This is pretty much going to just be that powder that pretty much gives us that flawless complexion. So I'm pretty much just pouncing that everywhere on my face. All right, and we're gonna go in with the Maybelline loose powder in deep, and this we're gonna use as our contour shade. So I'm just applying that to my cheekbones, my forehead, my jaw, and my nose. Let me know if you guys want a video on pretty much how to use brushes, like how to hold them, how to angle them. Like, let me know if you guys would want a more detailed video on that. There's a lot of things that I feel like you should know when using a brush. But yeah, so I'm gonna take the same powder that I used to set my highlight and just kind of carve out my cheekbones. I wanted that very carved out look for my cheekbones. I added my lashes, and then we're just going to pretty much set the face, and that's pretty much it for this look, guys. It's very simple, quick, and easy. 5 minutes literally, guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.